Producing quickly and well is the DNA of woodlab Studio. Here we are starting from a blank sheet, and it only took a few minutes to design this cabinet. Here is my starting volume. I drop a left side and I assign this feature to it via the Categories drop-down menu. Assigning a category will subsequently allow for simplified management. I now drop a bag represented by a volume. This triggers a contextual window allowing me to manage the groove for the bag but also the material, in this case 8 mm thick. As you can see, I have two tolerances, in depth and in width. I now drop a top. I assign the category and I choose the material. I repeat the operation for the bottom, not forgetting to assign the category. I now drop a volume representing the drawer faces. This triggers a pop-up window through which I manage the overlaps and the distribution, here 3 identical heights. Let's take a closer look. Each drawer face corresponds to a reception volume. This one is intended to hold my drawer. I go to my catalog and I choose a Bloom & Taro Type M drawer. So I'm going to drop this drawer in each of the 3 volumes. This seems perfect to me and I continue. Thanks to the parametric configuration of my drawer, it automatically adapts to the depth of the receiving volume. In addition, the hardware order list is updated with the correct guides reference.
Music licensing reimagined.
By categorizing parts, I can easily assign a material configuration. Here, for example, white melamine for the cabinet frame and wood imitation for the drawer's front. I change my mind and I choose white melamine for the whole cabinet now. Now let's move on to the steps for production. Here is the list of automatically detected parts and materials. I trigger the cutting optimization. And here is the result of this optimization. I now run the automatic post-processor which generates the programs for the CNC. On the right, an overview of the program. I now start B3. I now run the simulation of the program on B-Suite, and as we can see, all the machining is present and executed correctly. What to remember? Good organization combined with user-friendly design tool ensure rapid production on the shop floor.